Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, gotta watch that sun. In that regard, I'm gonna go ahead and move on out here. And this my scale passes here, folks. What a nice plane, folks. A little windy out here, nothing like it was last night, folks. Sweetie. Got to keep my throttle up in the turns, and I'm using lots of elevator, not elevator, lots of rudder. Got all these goalposts to avoid, which is not fun. All right, so I'm trying to get some low, slow passes, but it's difficult when I don't have much room, folks. I don't have much room to fly, huh? Landing's gonna be interesting. Throttle up, rudder. Oh, folks. Sporty flying. Gotta really watch the sun. Gotta really watch it. Now let's move our position a little bit more. Oh, I almost got a non-nose over, but not quite. I nosed over. Oh, she tipped back up again. Real tough flying conditions, folks. Sun glare, goals every dang where. So I would normally do another takeoff and see if I can get a good landing. Well, I know I can get a good landing. I just need better conditions. And we'll try it one more time. Let's see if we can do it one more time, maybe. There's a gentleman over here, so we're gonna get out of his area. Get out of his area right now. All right, folks, let's try this. Ready? Here we go. Oh, folks, that's what you get when you try to do a downwind landing. That's what you get when you try to do a downwind landing. I'm going downwind because it's the best direction, except for ease of takeoff. All right, so throttle cut on. We'll do one more takeoff and landing. Let's do it. Let's do it here now. We can do this. All right, let's run a little bit. Run. How long have we been flying? 6 minutes. All right, we can do this. Here we go. here we go, folks. Whew. Oh, more throttle. More throttle. Well, that was worse than the first one, folks. What the heck? Oh, here comes a helicopter. No focus from the camera, naturally. Alright then, folks. Dang it! One more time, throttle cut on. Check the airplane. Up. Hatch popped open. That's no good. Oh, heck. Lots of challenges these days for Pilot Mark, folks. Lots of challenges. Whoa! Okay, everything's still good. Throttle cut's still on. The wind direction's changing now. I hate it when it does that, but it does that. So, but it's good because our direction is now looking good. So, all right, let's see if we get her up in the air and just get her on the ground. Again, good landing. Okay. Holy cripes, folks. Holy cripes! Now the wind's coming from the opposite of where it was before. Here we go. One more time. One more time, folks. Hoi! God, the sun's such that I'm getting. The sun is such that it's easy to be disoriented. Easy. All right, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead, folks. I almost had that one, but I didn't keep pulsing my throttle long enough, and didn't have my full up elevator enough, and it just wasn't really any good. One more, damn it. Okay, I can do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do this for crying out loud. We did it, we flipping did it. Oh, I hope it's on camera. Finally. Finally, I hope it's on camera. Finally. After stressful flying with too many lacrosse goals and the sun wanting to be in my eyes and the giant freaking divots and reverse divots. And in spite of all that, we finally got a good landing. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, parting shot, beauty shot of the airplane. Okay, see, I couldn't close this video without one decent, if not good landing, folks. So there she is. What a sexy girl. Really, folks. As you can see, I put clear windows on here, on the side. And, yep, and stuff. I get suspension on here, which looks pretty darn scale, and it's quite functional. Quite functional, her suspension is. Okay, folks, so it's a little bit of a squirrely flight too. Not squirrely in terms of me having trouble handling her, but not smooth and silky like, you know, like I like to do, like I do when I'm flying well, because I'm getting used to the new setup on the airplane. But I'll tell you, the new setup on the airplane is number one. See that suspension there, folks? Trying to get the whole airplane in the shot. There you go. See that suspension? All right. Okay, folks, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. It was a beautiful plane. And, gosh, I wish these goals weren't all over the place here. I mean, I'll tell you, for me, it's a huge psychological impediment. Even more than the actual, real, physical impediment of actually, you know, having the possibility of crashing into one of these. Because you got to come in against the wind, and your short final approach may not be very good. It may be right into these. So that you'd have to do an off-wind landing, an off into the wind landing, which is not good, or you got to thread your way through these here. But it's cool. It's cool. All right, there she is. Yeah, this is just a fine airplane, folks. Yeah. So I've been flying helicopters for a while, no airplanes, because we had too much wind, too much smoke, rain, storms, all kinds of stuff going on. So I'm using this, which started out as I started off in the RC flying hobby with this, the Carbon Cub S Plus, as my training plane. Then, after about 3 years of flying, I went exclusively into helicopters and did that for a couple years. Well, then, I sold my planes. When I came back, not that long ago, about a year ago or so, when I started this channel, or soon after I started this channel, I decided to get back into flying, so I went back with the same retrainer that I used initially, only now it's the S2 instead of the S Plus, which is wonderful. And so that's what I'm doing. And then I haven't flown a lot lately, so and I've been waiting to test my maul with her new CG and landing gear setup for landing in this crazy thick grass. I'm waiting to test her, but I wanted to get a bunch of flight time on this bird first. And she's doing great. We're going to do about 3-4 more flights with her until I can get every landing down. The plane can do it. I've proven that. I can do it. I've proven that on my last landing. But I need a lot of practice so that I can do it all the time, not just, you know, some of the time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Fantastic hobby. Fantastic community. Damn, I love flying. See ya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.